North Providence gas station is covered in fire-suppressing chemicals tonight after that truck right there caught fire inches from the pumps. It happened at the Shell on Mineral Spring Avenue. Good evening, I'm Brian Crandall.
And I'm Emily Bowles. The gas station could be closed for a few days. NBC 10's Erin Coogan spoke with witnesses. She joins us live now with details. Erin?
Yeah, well, guys, as hair-raising as the actual fire was, it's the cleanup process that continues tonight. You can still see crews on site. They've been washing the floors, scrubbing down the pumps, because just until about an hour ago, this place was blanketed in fire retardant.
Oh,
Looked to the right and I saw huge flames coming out of a truck.
All caught on camera.
it was a lot of crackling and popping, and
Witnesses say a truck with smoke rising from its cab pulled into the Shell gas station on Mineral Spring Avenue just before 1 o'clock.
I originally saw some smoke coming out of the cab of the truck, and we didn't actually know what it was. And then we saw the girl that was pumping gas. She kind of dropped the gas hose and ran that way.
She ran out of the car and she said, "Oh my God, my car's on fire." And she dropped the nozzle and ran in.
That's when inches from an open pump, fire erupted from under the hood of the car.
I couldn't believe there was a fire that close to a gas pump.
Really?
You know, that's when you get a little panicky.
Because I said if that explodes, the windows are going to shatter and people are going to get hurt.
Heat sensors positioned underneath the gas station's overhang triggered a dumping of powdered fire retardant.
If you saw that white cloud, we just didn't know what it was. We didn't know if it was like warfare. You know, like that's the first thing I thought. It was like, oh my God, are we getting poisoned?
The chemicals didn't put the fire out, but did subdue the flames until North Providence Fire and police were able to arrive.
It didn't put it out. It didn't. But once fire came, they put it right out.
What was left? The truck, burnt to a crisp, and a fresh coating of snow-like fire retardant blanketing everything in sight.
We never saw anything like that. Never.
Now, no injuries were reported as a result of this fire. As you mentioned, the gas station is expected to be closed for the coming days. Live in North Providence, Erin Coogan, NBC 10 News.